Hey, we're at Roots and Remedies. This is Jim with Keller Williams, giving back to the local business community. Let's step inside and see what's going on. Hey, we're with Mandy Slay with Roots and Remedies. Mandy, tell us a little bit about what you got going on here.
Well, welcome. This is Roots and Remedies. I am a natural health store where we have fresh herbs. Over here, our apothecary section. That is going to be, you can buy everything by the ounce. They're more medicinal herbs. And then we have some even prepackaged for different health concerns that you might want to help, build some of your nutrition up there. So we have all of those fresh herbs. We also have over here our refillery section, which is going to be a lot of more plant-based products to where you're not getting a lot of those harsher chemicals, no phthalates, sulfates, things like that are causing to increase our toxicity loads. So we have a lot of fresh products here. And then we just have some of our favorite supplements down here where, we have tinctures and different, supplements, sea moss, locally harvested honey. It's coming from Holly, and homeopathics, essential oils, anything that you might need that is more for, helping to achieve that natural health.
That's awesome. Tell them what your hours are and where you're located exactly.
We're located at 3714 East Court Street. I'm in the plaza that has Starbucks and ProClean. And I'm here from 10 to 6 throughout the week and then 10 to 4 on the weekend.
I'll leave her information down below, so be sure to check her out and come by. Also, you can have a chance to win $50 in a gift card drawing, so please stop by and check her out.